It's time for Coquito y las Navidades. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. These are all the ingredients that you are going to need to make coquito. Yes, it's time to make another mocktail. And so once again, coquito, let me just reiterate, it is not like eggnog by all means. Now, I'm not trying to knock eggnog, but coquito, eggnog is not. For me, it's better. And las Navidades en Puerto Rico, it's the whole shebang. The holiday season lasts about 45 days, starting the day after Thanksgiving and sometimes a little bit before, and ending in mid-January with the celebration of the Fiesta de la Calle San Sebastián. And although we don't have snow in Puerto Rico, the coquito flows throughout the season, making it a sweet white Christmas for everyone around. And yes, you can drink it all year round. In fact, you can make the coquito drink, you can make coquito cake, coquito cupcakes, you can make coquito ice cream. It's become a big sensation all around the world. But just like eggnog, it is a staple at holiday gatherings in Puerto Rico, especially during the barrandas and festivals. Now, the name means small coconut, and it is made in batches with recipes passed down from generations through generations. It isn't clear who exactly invented coquito, but it is undoubtedly the best way to kick off the holiday season. You can find it all around the island, but homemade coquito is the preferred version. Now, this one is close to the traditional way of making it, but if you really want to take it there, you would actually use the coconut water and the coconut shavings to just wring it out and pour out the milk. I will do another video like that later on. For now, this is the recipe that you are going to get from me. So break out a lively festive bottle like you see here once you make up this recipe and share it with your family and friends. Now, a lot of different recipes are out there in variation of how to make this drink, and a lot of controversy because, you know, it's whether using an egg yolk or not. I was raised on making it without the egg yolk, but again, to each his own. Bueno, hasta aquí llegamos. Ya yo voy a estar botellando este coquito para ponerlo en el freezer para poder tomármelo bien congeladito. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, leave a comment, and hasta la próxima. Until next time, guys. Bye.